Hiya, Fido, why the long face? This present will cheer you up. I know it's got you down. That contractor that was supposed to fix your roof goofed and left you holding the bucket. And that new car that won't go. When you told the car guy the problem, all he said was, I don't know. That got you feeling like an old hound dog. Well, open your present, Fido. Your dog days are over. Listen, it's the new Consumer Action Handbook, free from the government. With this puppy, you'll get repairs repaired, credit fraud fixed, telemarketers silenced, wrongs righted. Look, companies, government agencies, names, numbers. With this book, nobody will treat you like a dog. You at home, pick up the phone. Get your free Consumer Action Handbook. Call toll-free 1-888-8-PUEBLO or log on to www.pueblo.gsa.gov. It's a consumer's new best friend.